Hello students, today in this module of economics, we are going to learn about the story of a village, Palampur. Village Palampur. Palampur is a small, hypothetical and imaginary village. The village is well connected with neighboring villages and towns. It is 3 kilometers away from Rajganj, big village. Shahpur is the nearest town to the village. The village is well connected by the road and many kinds of transport are visible on this road. This village has about 450 families. Some of them have quite large houses while some of them have small houses. Most of the houses have electric connections and electricity powers all the tube wells in the fields and is used in various types of small business. It has 2 primary schools and 1 high school. There is a primary health center run by the government and 1 private dispensary where the sick are treated. Main production activities. Farming is the main production activity of the villagers. The other production activities referred to as non-farm activities include small manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping, etc. Organization of production. The aim of production is to produce the goods and services that we want. There are 4 requirements for production of goods and services. Requirement for production of goods and services. The first requirement is land and other natural resources such as water, forest and mineral. The second requirement is labor, that is people who will do the work. Some require highly educated workers while some require workers who can do manual work. The third requirement is physical capital, that is the variety of inputs required at every stage during production. It is of 2 types: tools, machines, buildings. Tools and machines range from very simple tools to sophisticated machines. Tools, machines, buildings can be used in production over many years and are called fixed capital. Raw materials and money in hand. Production requires a variety of raw materials and also some money is required during production to make pavements and buy other necessary items. Raw materials and money in hand are called working capital. The fourth requirement is the requirement of knowledge and enterprise who are able to put together land, labor and physical capital and produce an output. This is called human capital. Factors of production. Land, labor and capital are the basic requirements for production of goods and services which are popularly known as factors of productions. We have discussed today about village Palampur, main production activities, organization of production, requirements for productions of goods and services, factors of production. In the next video, we will discuss about farming in Palampur and non-farm activities in Palampur. Thank you.